What was it like to build it?
It was pretty fun. I'm not really a good woodworker, but my partner at work is, so he said, sure, we can build one. So he built it. I pretty much painted it. Kind of handed him the tools. That was about it.
Just sounds like a pretty cool service opportunity. Paper airplanes, like, you don't get that every day.
But yeah, it's just really fun to like see them when they like succeed. They're so happy.
For an event like this, publicity, certainly bringing awareness about the services that we offer, letting people know that we're out there to help.
It's really a good organization, and again, as I say, they do great work here in Aurora.
It's important for a large regional shopping center to provide location for a number of community types of events, or anything we can do to provide a location to support the growth of our community and what makes our community a great place to live, work, and shop.
I think it's great. I mean, like, everybody's been having a good time, and we've had a really good turnout, and it's been a lot of fun so far.
An event like this is, one, a lot of fun. We've invited some of our matches to come out today and check out the paper airplane event, and it's also great just to see the community raise awareness about who we are and what we do.
It's perfect for this organization because it's family friendly, and Big Brother, Big Sister is about mentoring children, and the behavioral counseling group has a lot of children clients. So this is a really fun fit to get kids involved and raise some money for the organization.
I volunteered for it, but I'm glad I came. I love it here. It's so much fun. I'm having a lot of fun.
It's really neat. You know, I think a lot of people don't know we exist. I've told people before we're the best kept secret that serves 6,000 families. You know, so to let people just come back and not only see us and see what we do, but to see how we can have a successful event like this. And it's a lot of fun for families, for kids. It's just been a lot of fun all day.